If you're a ChatGPT Plus subscriber, you now have access to DALL-E directly within ChatGPT. This feature allows you to create digital art right from ChatGPT, using detailed prompts to bring your ideas to life. When creating with DALL-E, refining prompts is key. Think of your prompt as the blueprint the AI will use to create your art. Clear, detailed prompts will produce more accurate, visually appealing images that align with your vision. Refining prompts is crucial because it adds precision to your art. When you're specific in your instructions, DALL-E is more likely to produce an image that matches what you have in mind. Vague prompts can lead to random or unpredictable results, while refined prompts allow DALL-E to hone in on the exact style, mood, and details you want. Refined prompts also let you create a consistent style across images, whether you're aiming for abstract art, surrealism, or realism. This is especially useful if you want to build a cohesive series with a particular look. Additionally, prompt refining gives you greater control over aspects like colors, textures, and composition, transforming a basic idea into a fully realized piece. Experimenting with prompts allows you to harness DALL-E's strengths, such as vibrant colors or surreal imagery, while avoiding areas where it might struggle. To make DALL-E produce specific styles, include detailed language in your prompts. Here are some prompt examples to get started. If you're going for a fantasy theme, try a prompt like, "A dragon flying over a mountain at sunrise, with radiant scales that reflect the sunlight. Epic fantasy style with rich, vivid colors and detailed textures focusing on realism." Words like epic and detailed direct DALL-E to emphasize the dragon's texture and surrounding landscape. For abstract art, consider a prompt like, "Geometric shapes with bright, bold colors. Modern art style, textured and high contrast, inspired by cubism and abstract expressionism." Words like geometric, textured, and high contrast guide the AI toward a specific visual style. To create a realistic portrait, you might use a detailed portrait of an elderly person with a gentle expression wearing a wool hat, detailed wrinkles and soft lighting, similar to a classic oil painting. Phrasing like detailed wrinkles and soft lighting signals to DALL-E that you're aiming for a realistic painterly effect. For a surreal look, try a city floating in the sky with tall buildings, surreal and dreamlike. Clouds merge with the city, and a soft pink and purple sunset in the background. Words like dreamlike and surreal set the tone, while clouds merging with the city encourages imaginative elements. If you're after a vintage or retro style, you might say, "A vintage-style poster of a classic car by the beach. Faded colors, warm tones, and a 1950s feel with a grainy texture." Adding terms like faded, warm tones, and 1950s feel helps DALL-E create an image reminiscent of a retro style. Prompt refinement often involves experimenting. Start with a broad concept and gradually narrow it down. If you begin with a city at night, refine it with more details, such as a futuristic city at night with neon lights, tall skyscrapers, and wet pavement, reflecting the lights in a cyberpunk style. Each refinement layer helps DALL-E capture your vision with greater accuracy. Experiment with adjectives, as they can dramatically alter the tone of your image. A simple phrase like, "a forest in autumn," becomes a misty autumn forest with soft, dim lighting and eerie shadows by adding words like misty and eerie. Adding context and descriptive elements such as setting or mood also guides DALL-E. For example, "A girl reading a book" transforms into "a young girl reading a book under a tree with golden sunlight filtering through leaves, creating a peaceful atmosphere." Detailed prompts help ensure that DALL-E's output aligns closely with your concept. AI doesn't understand as a human artist would. It relies on patterns in language. By crafting clear, detailed prompts, you guide DALL-E to focus on what's important, minimizing misunderstandings. This is especially helpful when working with complex styles, where elements like color, texture, and light play a significant role in the final artwork. In short, refining prompts is like creating a roadmap for DALL-E to follow. The clearer and more detailed the roadmap, the closer the AI's output will be to your vision. If this video helped you understand how to create amazing art with DALL-E in ChatGPT, please like, follow, or subscribe for more beginner-friendly content about AI. Thanks for watching and happy creating!